Hi, simpliRP has a unique feature of purchase request-based purchase order creation. Go to create new purchase order. As usual, enter all the vendor and PO related details. After saving that, in the PO items entry page, on the top right corner, there is a link for PR-based PO item entry. Click that. Here system will show only the open purchase requests. Select that particular PR. Now system will show the items in that PR in the item code selection box. Select that item. Please enter all other details and save the item. When you confirm and print, you can see the print preview of that PO. Also, when you go to the PO status, you can see that PR number is appearing against that PO. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.